Endless Energy is known as a full-service HVAC company, but we specialize in air source heat pumps. And we've been doing air source heat pump installation design for almost 14 years at this point. So this is not something that's new for us. It's something that we've done for a very long time. I'd like to say that we're experts in the area in the state of Massachusetts. But for the last 5 or 6 years, heat pumps have become a real big buzzword in the state of Massachusetts. Part of that is due to incentives from the Mass Save program, but part of it is people realized that their heating systems in particular were getting really expensive. A lot of homes in Massachusetts still are on oil heat, and oil fluctuates wildly. Natural gas, maybe not as great of an argument, but especially oil customers and some households who have electric resistance really want to make the switch to heat pumps. The Mass Save program and its heat pump incentives, particularly the whole home incentive, have really given homeowners a great reason to convert to heat pumps, but also we found that homeowners are becoming a bit more discerning. They're realizing a lot of contractors just started installing heat pumps, last year, and don't really know what they're doing, don't really understand how to size it. And so a lot of customers will turn to Endless Energy because we've been doing it for so long, and we really do truly understand that and look at things not just, yes, can a heat pump work down to 15 degrees, but where's that turn down ratio? What does that look like? And we can talk to a customer about that because that actually changes how well a system operates and what it's going to cost you as you operate it, particularly over the winter months.
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need Endless Energy.